from the past 3 years, we are celebrating my daughter's birthday in a different manner with lot of fun. And instead of distributing chocolates or bakery sweet items, she is distributing green veg leaves or fruits with a homemade dish. This video is 2 years back. She was distributing veg green leaves to everyone, and can you see people happily receiving gifts and blessing her? She enjoyed this, and everyone loved the idea also. Instead of giving chocolates, any other things, receiving these healthy items, right? So even this year also she gave fruits, homemade besan laddu and avial to vendors, and they too were very happy to receive it and blessed my daughter wholeheartedly. And she also learned good values that givings brings us and others happiness, and also sharing healthy food, right? Healthy food which gives awareness of health. So, how do you celebrate your birthday or your kid's birthday? Let me know in the comment section. So, today I will show you how I prepared avial. It's a Kerala special dish. In this, they use curd. The curd, dairy curd, is not good for our health and it's very hard to digest. So, I came up with an idea using peanut curd. Yes, peanut curd is very easy to make and is cheaper than a dairy curd. And amazingly, it came out very delicious and tasty. So let's start making healthy avial. Avial, yes. So before making avial, we have to get ready with the curd. So for that, we need to soak the raw peanuts and prefer light color peanuts. Soak for 4 hours, not more than that. And this water, you should not use it, throw it away. Grind this, and I have taken here half a cup of peanuts. So for that we required 1.5 cup of water, but I am using here little by little. So how much it required, but total water is we required is 1.5 cup for half a cup of peanut. So we, after grinding into smooth paste, you have to take one cotton cloth or whatever you say, muslin cloth. So strain that, and I see what I have do is I have grinded this twice so I can squeeze all the milk from the peanut. See, I am doing it again, the same process, but water should be for 1/2 cup, it should be 1.5 cup. If you can add little more but not more, because the curd won't come properly. Okay, after squeezing this, you will get the pulp, right? That one you can use it as a scrub. Yeah, you can put some little more water and use it like a scrub, face scrub or body scrub. So you have to keep this milk on stove and bring this to boil. At beginning, keep stove at low flame, then increase heat to medium. So transfer this to a glass bowl or a clay pot. Keep aside, let it cool. So after this we are going to make curd, right? So we are adding here chili tops. Yes, for fermentation we are adding here chili tops. I have taken here around 8 chili tops. You have to remove chili tops freshly and place in a milk. Remember, you have to add chili tops when it is lukewarm temperature. Then close a lid and keep in a warm place. At about 8 to 9 hours in between, don't disturb while fermentation is in the process. So you can keep overnight also. See, it's ready. Thick creamy peanut curd is ready, and we can use this curd instead of dairy curd. Wherever we are using dairy curd, that time you can switch this one. And see, can you see this? And I have made curd even in the clay pot, and it came out very nicely. See, can you see how delicious, a creamy texture? And this one I have kept it overnight, and it came out very perfect. And for this I have used only quarter cup of peanut, and this is enough for me. And see, wow, very delicious, nice, perfect, right? You can also try this. Beginning you can feel little peanut taste, but later on when you used to it, you can feel like dairy curd itself. So see, it's ready. Let's start making of avial now. For avial, I have taken here snake curd. We have to chop that into lengthwise. So for this dish, we have to cut all the vegetables lengthwise. Chopped snake ground 1 cup, carrot chopped 1 cup, chopped green beans 1 cup, potato 1 cup. In this avial, main ingredient is elephant root, that is yam. So I didn't get that yam, so instead of that I am using potatoes. 1 cup cucumber and 1 cup capsicum. Take a pan, add little water, keep this on stove. Transfer all the veggies to the pan except cucumber and capsicum because those will bake fast. So without that we will bake this for 10 minutes. Close the lid and bake and see if it is little soft. So that time we can add the cucumber and the capsicum. Into this we can add some spices now. So for that, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, then 2 strings of curry leaf. So close the lid again for about 10 minutes. We should not bake fully and it should be little crunchy texture. So only 10 minutes is enough, I guess. Close the lid. Meanwhile, we can grind the coconut. So in the mixer jar, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, jeera, and 4 to 5, how much you want the spice, add chilies, and 2-3 strings of curry leaf, and the coconut. I have taken here chopped coconuts 1.5 cup because I am not going to use any oil, so I have increased the coconut quantity. If you don't want that much, you can use only 1 cup coconut, and we have to grind this in a coarse, don't make it paste. See, it should be like this. Okay, then keep this in a side. Let's see what happened here. It's baked properly. Yeah, it's become soft. Yeah, this is enough, I guess, but still I have left some water, so I am going to strain this water. We don't want any water for this recipe. So for this now I am going to add curd, 1.5 cup of curd, peanut curd. You can use any plant-based curd. So give a mix and bake again for 1 minute. That is enough, I guess. 1 minute or 2 minutes is enough. Now switch off the flame, add grated coconut, mix well, and while stirring, careful, you should not smash it. It's all done. So my version of avial is ready. The taste is also great and healthy too, as I have not added any dairy curd and any oil. See how perfectly it came out, and you have to try this. See, very delicious. I loved it a lot. Even looks colorful. So the healthy avial is ready. Did you like this recipe? Then try once and let me know your experience. See you in the next video. Namaste.